This conference will now be recorded.
So okay, now this machine I just going to make as a clone. Okay.
I can share your screen.
Oh, sorry. Now you can able to see the screen.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now this machine I just making as a clone. Okay. Right click. Just click on clone. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So clone VM. Just making as clone VM something, and this gives us a folder name. Whatever you want, you can make it as a folder. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Just click, and we need to give the cluster where you are going to clone it. Okay. Just click next, on which data show you are just going to make this clone. Okay. So I just making as learn next. Do not customize using the customize wizard, customize using agent. These are the three options it will be there. Do not customize means this machine whatever the available, it will be same, it will be replicated. First option. Okay. Second option, it will give that new computer name, organization, password, everything you have to set for that each and every mission. Okay. Third option, if you already have in the script and modify something, then you can able to click on that and you can use that customize wizard. These are the three options it's available while doing the clone and template. These are the things it will be available. Whatever you want, you can able to use it, because normally they will go for the second option, because whenever the new machine is created, right, the SID should be the new one, correct? So
Mm-hmm.
you should have that, make it as second option and give the computer name and everything, it will be set. Now I just giving for the do not customize. As I have a lab, we don't need to do all the stuff. So click on next and it will be completed. So now it will be very fast. I think 17%, 40, very good. Because since the machine is down, it will be very fast. Otherwise, it will be taking more time. Okay. Now parallelly, it will be running it. So what is the doubt in network part? So that we'll make it that clear.
So the virtual switch and the
Yeah,
ports.
correct. This is physical. This is virtual. Whatever you are creating here, it will be need to be configured. So this is the physical NIC. These are the port group we have to mention, and in that port group, all the VMs need to be diverted to the correct port group. Then only the machine will be in the appropriate level, port group. Previously, if it is not created, then it will be go into the default one, and all the machine it will be stored on a single thing. But you cannot able to identify that which one is prod, which one is development, which is the test. We cannot able to identify. For that only we are just creating one ID. You got it? Ankita, you there?
Yeah.
You got it, or still got confused or something? See, I just creating one port group here. We search properties and just making as add and virtual machine. Okay, in that you can able to give the name as VLAN 1115. This is a VLAN. It will be configured in the physical switch. Then only you can able to configure here. So all the VLAN they will be already created in the network switch, and it will be trunk and it will be given to you. Then you have to need to configure all the thing in the each and every machine. That's it. So nest and finish. This is a step you have to going to do in the network part. Nothing apart from that.
So did you had a tunic on when you have a physical tunic? So where did you get the second nick? You have a tunic on your computer? Where
See,
this
the
nick came
second
from?
nick it will be configured already, right? See, you will be having
Oh,
two nick.
from
So it will be there. Physical link already
from
it will
the
be.
ESXi host
Yes,
it came.
correct, correct,
Okay.
correct.
So because you have a two host, or is it just
Two
from one
hosts, two
host?
hosts, two hosts, two hosts. Each and every host I just made it four nick. See, one, two, three, and four. So I just made it two nicks.
Or you added two nicks on each host?
Correct, correct, correct. See, here it is one default one. I just go into properties and just going to add one more nick here. So add
Mhm.
nick and just select nest and finish. So then only it load balance, right? It will not be load balance, correct? The one is goes down automatically. The traffic should be go to another nick, correct?
Mm-hmm. So why do you have a tunic there in a physically? What does help you?
See, if it goes down, VM nick 0 it goes down. All the traffic will be moved to another nick.
Right, but that's still it's a virtual nick anyway, right? Or
No,
that's
it's
it's
a
not a
physical.
physical.
Is this is physical. I telling you, this thing is physical. On the virtual, it will not be there. So only the port group will be creating in a virtual site. Okay, each and every machine has a one nick. That is V nick. That's it. The through this switch, it will be go to the physical, and then it is connected to the physical switch. This VM NIC 0 it's connected to the physical switch. VM NIC 1 is connected to the physical switch.
But you just created those under ESXi. That's where I don't it. I see if there is a network port on your computer, that's the physical port. That's how I see it.
Where
This one is just like
we-
a software network card that you created.
yeah, this is because we are a session, right? So we can able to add in the ESHI. Okay, if it goes in the real time, they will be giving as a 4 nick actually directly. You need to add any physical nick. Okay, already it's inbuilt. So you can able to see the all the VM NIC 0, 1, 2, 3. There are 4 NIC it will be available in your environment. So one NIC it will be go for the management, one NIC it will go for the vMotion, and two NIC it will be go for the virtual machines. Like that they will be segregated. See, I just show you. See, this is a switch. Okay, in that it will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. This all it will be as a physical switch. This side we always call it as physical. We now this side is always it will be virtual. Virtual. This is physical. That's it. So the physical always it will be as a ESS host. It already inbuilt. Nothing need to be added. You now got it. Still you find difficulties. EM NIC 0, VM NIC 1, VM NIC 2, and VM NIC 3. This how it will be there.
Okay. I still don't get it, but why you call it physical? It's not a physically, but you're running on VMware workstation. That's why it allows you to do it, I guess.
Correct, correct. That's why I'm telling you. See, in a real
Oh,
time,
okay.
that's why in a real time you already you will be getting it. Okay, the
Right.
phone
On
is
hardware, when you buy the hardware,
ah,
you already have a 4 port
correct,
NIC.
correct, correct. Now we are all using the workstation. We no need to go for one or two or four or five. So
Okay.
whatever you want, you can able to see the
D-
configure manager network. This only this gives all the information. See, now we are
I
connected
see.
with the two.
Uh-huh.
Previously, while creating only the VM NIC 0 is there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now you can able to see
Yeah.
one, two, three, all the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Now you hope understand.
Mm-hmm. Yep. I did install the cluster.
Okay,
I did created another host and um,
super. Yeah,
so
great.
set up the cluster and play with it too.
Good, good, good. So network part that is much not only the creation of port group and the load balance need to be set, and each and every port group we have to make sure that the load balance should be set for each and every port group. That how it will be look like. That's it. And if it goes down, so what is the thing you have to check? That thing, that's the thing. It will be work. Yeah.
So on this one, if you look at the real scenario, real life, a real kind of production environment,
Yeah.
you don't have the other two NICs set up, right? The for vMotion and the network and for the VM network,
Okay.
right?
So it
On a physical
no
side,
on physical side you have to set. If you have two
right?
nick, you have to set. If you have two nick, then you have to manage how to manage. You have to
Manage
think
all
about
the
that.
traffic. Yeah,
Yeah.
you kind of passing all the traffic through that
Correct. Correct. Correct.
two
Correct.
network, which
Correct. Two
is
network.
not proper virtual LAN per se.
Correct. Because they will go for four, not two. That's why I told.
Mm.
So
Yeah,
one is management.
I have a
Yeah.
four network.
Yeah, that's why. Because one is management fully take care of, one is vMotion it will be take care of, and two is virtual machine network.
Yeah, the guest VM or guest
Correct.
network.
Exactly correct.
Okay. All right. The other one was what was the standard switch? And let me turn on the light so I can see better. The standard switch versus the distributed switch.
Sorry, Sangeeta, I didn't get you. The standard?
Standard switch versus the distributed switch.
Yeah, yeah, it's given the difference, right? Totally five, it will be there. I'll type it. Port binding, port mirroring, net flow, network vMotion, and one more is there. PV LAN. These are the five types. It will be available in the DV switch actually. You got it? This is a five. So newly it's only available in DV switch, not in the standard.
On a DV switch, distributed switch.
Correct. Not in the standard. You got my differences, right? I send the PPT and everything. You got it
Right.
right?
Yeah. No. I just forgot how to get the how which one is which and how can I get how do you specify that you want a standard switch or DV switch?
So if your environment want more machine, okay,
Mm-hmm.
port or something, then you can go for the DV switch because it's centralized, right? So no need to create each and every host need to create the port group, correct? In
Mm-hmm.
standard, we need to create each and every host. We need to create a port group. On DV, only the central one-time port group need to be added. Then it will be centralized, so you can able to see in all the hosts. So moreover, the management will be taken care by standard. The port group will be taken care by DV switch. I see the environment like this, or I just see the only the distributor switch, or I just see only the standard switch. There are three different environment I see in it. So DV switch we cannot able to go for a enterprise, right? Enterprise plus is required, correct? So the cost is more. The license will be need to take care. So if you want to go for the DV switch, then you have to go for enterprise plus license. So
Oh, okay.
the
So the DV switch does have a different license. So
correct.
how do you add it here? You have a standard switch here, right?
Yeah,
You
this is the
just
standard.
yeah.
Yeah,
Can you
default.
just where how do you change it to DV switch or can it interchangeable or no?
We can do that. That's why I tell you, right? I
Mm.
can able to create DV switch here network.
Or networking, host and networking. Oh,
Yeah,
I
right.
see.
And new
Okay.
distributor switch.
Ah, okay. That's where you do it at the
It's
beginning.
6.0. Yeah, we have done it right. Internal.
Mm-hmm.
I just creating internal, and then next, and it will ask for the which host you are just going to be. So I just click next,
Mm-hmm.
and pro group is need to be uncheck and finish. Now it's done. Now I just going to add port. Correct. Host need to be added. So add host to vSphere distributor. It will show all the thing. I just clicking two host, two nets. You got it.
Mm-hmm.
You can able to see. We have two and three, two and three. I just going to add this two net to the vSphere distributor switch. Next, so the management and vMotion is there. So no need to migrate this
Mm-hmm.
thing. So next, and because no VMs is not available, so I am not going to
Mm-hmm.
migrate anything. Next, and it will be added, and it will be finished. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
So now you can check this thing. So go to distributor search. You can see this nick. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here you can see this nick. That's it.
So distributed switch gives you more functionality, all these five things that you listed, port binding, port number, net flow.
Correct. Exactly correct.
So network emotion has automatically built in. Is that what it is?
It will be do automatically because here then go to network and
Mm-hmm.
right click. We need to create a port group. If you want to change the machine from, so it's all thing. I think it's the mission is completed. So think about this VM. I just going to DV switch. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I just make it as this thing. One more mission as a template. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I just making clone to template. Okay. So Sangeeta, and then see it will not migrate because the DV is this thing device is already mounted, so it will not be migrate. Okay. So always
Mm-hmm.
while doing, we should unmount this CD-ROM, all the stuff.
Mm-hmm.
You need to click on client device always. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Once you've done everything, you have to choose the client. Right click clone the template, nest. See, now it's valid search it. So valid search should be there always. So you cannot able to migrate without that. And space should be available. So I just making as LAN, nest and finish. Again, one more VM is created. Once it's done, I just show you how to migrate from standard to DB. Okay.
Mhm. It's taking a long time.
Yeah, it's taking time because it's cloning, right? That's a problem. If you power on right, if you do that, it take more time. Oops. Yeah, due to bandwidth, right? It's got disconnected.
Mm.
Now it's came. Okay. So now what happened? We can able to convert this machine as a template. Okay. Just right click, convert to template. So now that machine has been gone, and you can check in the VM and template. So you can see that the clone them VM, right? That becomes, you can able to again, you can make it as that machine as a virtual machine, or you can convert to virtual machine. Okay, you can able to clone, or you can deploy this template as a multiple machine. So if you want to have another machine, so deploy virtual machine from this template, this option you need to select and create clone one. Just clicking on clone one, just click on this next. Again it will select that your cluster. It will ask for the data store. I just giving this. Again this option will become, so next and finish. So the machine will be deployed. See, you can able to see this machine. You got it?
Yeah.
This is how the environment they will be creating, because that particular machine template that have all information. Information means the application, everything has been tested. So we need to create a multiple machine in that. With the same configuration, we can do that one. Or if application, web, or like that, we can able to do.
Okay. All right. Next one was a PV LAN.
Yeah. PVLAN, what is the three types? You know?
No.
Promiscuous mode.
Oh yeah. So we didn't do the P2V.
P2V, I just send the document to you. Is there any doubt? Because that I have created each and everything.
When did you send in document?
1 month, sorry, 1 month not, 1 week back. I just send across that PPT and everything, right? In that I can able to send across to that. I'll show you. Wait a minute. V2V and P2V, both the thing.
Mm.
Because step by step it will be there. There is no option to see where it is mistake or something. It will be each and everything. I just typed and as a note,
Mm-hmm.
because that document is created 4 years back actually. Mm, yeah, you can see this attachment. on when means October 10th I sent it across to you. See, you can able to see this. What are the port need to be open? So how to check this, and each and every point I just given it. How to migrate, how to install that standalone converter. So each and every point it will be highlighted here. This is a document I created. You can post implementation. This is the virtual machine once is converted, right? So this is the step we need to do. That also I just mentioned here. Go through the document. If you have any doubt, let me know. I just given for V2V also. P2V, V2V, clone and template, and VMF3 and vSphere version difference. I told right previously. So that difference also I attached it. Hope you got this mail right? This thing
Mm-hmm.
you missed it, or I need to forward again.
No, I'm sure I have it. I was just
Okay.
thinking you were gonna do it physically on the practical kind of physical to
No, I
virtual
just
to.
wait. I just show you because I have 1 TB hard disk. That's the problem. I
Mhm.
cannot able to migrate fully because let me install and show you how to do that. I cannot able to make finish till that finish
Mhm.
option. I can able to tell. Okay.
Mhm. So that one requires VMware Converter standalone.
This is the this is a small software which was available in the thing. Otherwise, you can let me know so that I can just upload it.
Yeah, can you upload that? I don't think I have that.
No problem. I just do that. Mm, it's uploading. Okay.
Mhm.
Let me know once you download that Azure software, software or something,
Okay.
document or something. This is how. So now we need to choose convert machine. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Once you click on that, it will ask for the this local machine or remote machine. Remote means this is a vCenter. You are taking that physical machine to convert into the virtual. Okay. So if it's local, you have to install the software in that particular physical machine and then convert. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Local machine means we have to install that particular machine and then can need to convert. Remote means wherever you install, you need to type that physical IP address, username, and password. It's Windows or Linux. You have to choose. That's it. Okay. Now we just. I don't have. Okay. 192.168.0.100. Okay. I just make it as local because I cannot able to go for remote. Okay.
Mm-hmm. That's fine.
So next, it will take all the information. Now, where to physical to which vCenter you are just going to deploy. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to give the vCenter IP address. So 113 we have to mention. Okay. What is the password? Sangeeta.
The username.
Yeah, that domain and username we
Oh,
have to give.
domain.
So once you click next, it's connecting to the vCenter actually. Okay. Yeah, it's done.
Okay.
Oh my god. From here to there it is connecting problem, I think. I just making into the vCenter itself, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's because connectivity, because the net is connected, right? The locally is not connecting. Give me 2 minutes, it will be installed. This local machine, Nest, though we need to give this machine as 113 administrator and India 23. Okay, next. This is the agent, it will be installed in that particular machine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, source machine. Okay, India 23 ADMNISTRATOR. Mm, okay, I just log off and come back. No, maybe we need to create one more machine because since it's a vCenter, right? So it's not allowing it to convert. Sangeeta, we don't have the option. We need to create one more machine or some need to be created. Hello, hello.
Yeah, yeah. Uh,
Because what happened, right? This is a
That's the
vCenter, right?
destination system IP address. Why you're putting this IP address of this system?
See, this is a vCenter. You got it. So now the physical machine need to convert into the virtual, correct? So what is a virtual? So that vCenter IP address we have to give it.
Oh, VMware infrastructure server.
Yeah, correct. That's the thing. We need to create it. Then you can see that option, the cluster and data show the hard
Uh-huh.
disk and click on finish. That's it. So I don't need to create one more machine. Then I have to give the IP. Then only it will be created.
Mm.
So I just given the document, right? You read it. If you have any doubt or something, let me know so that I can teach you. That's not an issue. I just given step by step. You can try it
Mm.
and let me know. It will be easy, not a complicated one. Let me know. I can able to teach you that one. No issues.
How about the backup?
The backup we cannot able to install, right? That is a organization, correct? So Tivoli or something we need to configure, correct? So actually the backup we cannot be able to configure in this. The backup team will be sending the mail, all the virtual machine which was created in the environment, right? We will be sending a mail. They will be configured in the backup tool and they will be confirming us that the backup has been done, configuration has been done for the all the machine. So they will be restoring the whenever we require, they will be telling us to restore that one. So we need to plugin need to be installed in this. You got it. The plugin, if you are using NetApp plugin, right? Where this we send the update manager yesterday we done it, right? You saw that the plugin,
Mm-hmm.
same plugin. You can able to see that NetApp plugin will be there. Okay. If you click on that, you can see this option. You can wait. I just show you on the net. Oh my God. Oh, plugin install in vSphere. See, you got it. Yesterday we down
Mm-hmm.
we have done it, right? Same thing. It will be download. You can able to see in the plugin actually. Then you can able to do that one. The backup. Are you using any backup in your environment? You will be configure, or they will be configuring that one?
Yeah, I have to configure. What happened? Only one person is the admin, and or you only have one admin. What you gonna do? You have to do everything.
Oh, the backup need to be installed from your end also.
Everything.
Oh. But here the backup and everyone it will be separate. So we never take care of that one. Only the vCenter part will vCenter part, right?
Yeah, when you have a small
Will
company, you do everything. You don't have a 20 people or one
yeah, I
person
got
just hire for
it.
backup, you know?
I got it. But here India is totally different one. Because we'll be giving that all the information to them, they will be configuring it, but the plugin will be seen here actually, like this, the VM converter, right? The plugin will be seeing that one. So once you click on that, you can able to see all the virtual machine, so we can able to restore that one, because we don't have to install all the stuff. So let me try how do we Yes, previously I used a NetApp, actually NetApp, yeah, NetApp. So everything is configured. So we'll be going to plug in and see that VM will be there. So just click on that and restore. That's it. It will ask for the which data so you need to deploy. It will ask and it will be stored on that. In case of emergency, you will be getting all the backup stuff always.
Yeah, I do backup
Uh,
all of them.
no, the backup you will do, but it's a schedule or what?
Yeah,
Yeah, like this only it will be there. I told right, the plugin it will be there. Okay. The once the plugin is there, need to go to that NetApp, then add single phase this thing. So we need to give that source VM, which VM we need to restore it. So that need to be taken care, and we have to give that limit something admin password, which date you required. So if you have 5 days of backup, so which one you have to restore it. So once you click on that, it will ask for the finish. See, this is how we will be doing it. But normally the backup configuration, all the stuff, it will be taken away by backup team. If you want, I can check with the one of the backup team, right? So they will be installing any software, then I can able to get that information and send it across to you. I just put the document and send it across.
yeah, okay.
Okay, because in my organization one backup team is there. So they'll be using Tivoli or NetApp, whatever, Commvault or some. There are different software they will be using it. Okay, so I'll check with them and confirm. Okay, I try to install because I never install in this environment. Okay, I'll try to make it and send it across your document to you. So network part is clear, right?
Mm, I don't know. I was half sleeping. Mm.
Okay. Let me know if you have any doubt or something. You can call me or ping me or in the thing. We can create
Mhm.
on go to meeting and we can able to, because it's now it's finished, right? Again we can able to create means we can create for us and make
On
it
a
done
VM,
live.
on a VM vSphere client, right?
Yeah,
What happened if I lost a password and if I need to reset it? How do you do it? Is there any way
see,
to go in and reset it?
It's a one thing. Okay, the vSphere client or web client, both the thing is that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So normally you will be using the single sign-on or AD. If it's
Mm-hmm.
AD, you can reset the password in the Active Directory dsa.msc. Go to that
Mm-hmm.
and username and reset the password. You can able to log into that machine. That's it. Or single sign-on, you have to go to console and reset the password. That's it.
Where is the console? The ESXi host console or
No,
the?
no, no. Web client console. You can able to.
Can you show me where the web client?
Yeah, sure.
But how can you get to web client if you cannot get to vSphere?
Same thing. Though just I show you. See, this is by resetting the password of ESS source. Okay, I
But
just show
if
you
I
one by
cannot
one.
get to the web client, how can I get to change a password? That's what I'm saying. It.
No, no, one by one. I just telling you. Okay,
Oh.
I just going for you are if you want to reset the password for the ESS source, then you have to go to webline, login, and manage. In the security option, you can see the user. In that, you can able to see the root permission. Okay, in that root, you can able to because the root is a common. You cannot able to change that username, but you can reset the password. You can able to do that. That option is available in the manage security and user.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Let's
this is the
back it
one
out a
thing.
little bit because I have a same issue before. We lost a password and we had to take a long route. We had to reset the whole system.
Okay,
So we lost a password on a root password. How can you
yeah,
even get to this page, web page, if
see,
you don't even have a ESXi password to log in?
that's why first we need to log into the vSpec client. I just telling you one by one. If you lost the password of a root, you just need to log into the vSpec client and sorry, web client or web client, and then you have to go to manage, and then you can
And
able to see
if
the
I didn't
security.
have a vSphere client install, because I don't have a vSphere install on my installer, we just use
No,
web.
you can able to go for the web client, right?
Mm-hmm,
So in 6.0 we just have two things. You can go web client or vSpec client, whatever. By default PSC, I told the web client will be available. Just a minute,
mm-hmm.
I show you. Wait a minute, I need to install that Google Chrome. 10.2.10.113 / if I'm client. You got it. This is the thing.
Mhm.
This is the IP address of your vCenter, and we have to put the vSphere client. This is how the web client will be work. This is how it will be work. So we need to give the administrator at vSphere.local. This is a single sign-on, right? So we need to give this thing. If you are using the AD, then you have to use a AD domain actually.
And that 113 is your ESXi host?
No, vCenter. We need to
vCenter.
always go
Logging
for
out to.
vCenter. Yeah,
Okay.
this is a vCenter. See, 10.2, 10.10.113.
My problem was we didn't even have a vCenter installed.
Oh, only the host, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
ESXi
okay.
host only because we are very small single host environment, only two guest
Okay,
OS.
then I got it. Now you need to reset means wait. There are so many steps you have to do it for that. I just tell you. There are one tool is available. Okay, Udumbu or something. I didn't know that. Udumbu. Yeah, this is the thing. Okay, UBUNDU. This is the thing we need to reset the password from this. There are so many steps we need to do that. I'll tell you this. Reset your root password in another 5 minutes. This is how it will be work. So it's a Linux, right? So you have to go and download and reboot, and you have to do a lot of stuff here. You got it? See, edit grab board. This is the thing. I just send this document to you. Okay. This is a root password. We can able to reset the password. Actually, the Linux, right? So we need to
Mhm.
do through the Linux command only, not in the thing. I just step. It's all step. It will be given. Okay. There are many ways we can able to reset the password actually. I thought you just log into the vCenter, then you will be doing it, but you don't have the vCenter, right?
Yeah. No, I mean I
So,
wanted to know how to do it on vCenter too, but my actual problem was ESXi. We lost a password and we set it up like 2 3 years ago and kind of forgot it, or actually when we set it up, this is what my consultant told me that it had a auto expire password or auto reset password or something. After so many times you need to change a password.
okay.
That's how it was, and then I think it got expired, and didn't know what happened.
No, that's there are few steps we need to do it for that. Reset the password. Okay. So I just give this link to you. Okay. So it will be very useful for you to get this thing, because this thing you need to download and reset the password actually. For the resetting the password of ESS host, this is the thing. I
Mm-hmm.
send it this document to you. No need to go for this VMware, or some cases need to be logged. This is how it will be work, because in rare cases we will be finding this thing, not in a frequent one. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I just given this thing. Okay. Let me know if you are not able to understand this thing. I'll teach you. I put the ESS host and this Udemy need to be download. I don't have this thing. That's a problem.
Mm.
I just give this link to you. Okay.
Mm.
Just check on that. So it will be easy for you to understand. So I just make this. Yesterday you got that mail, right? To lab I recorded. So the last recording I just send it across to you. Okay. Today
Mm-hmm.
whatever we done it.
Okay.
Let me know if you have any doubt or something, so that we will work it together. We have created a. We'll create this offline. Okay. Whenever you require, the meeting will be scheduled and we can make it done. Hmm?
Yeah, we didn't do the vSphere upgrade from 5 to 6 or 6 to 6.5.
I don't have the 6.5. I can able to do it 5.5 to 6.
Yeah, that's fine.
Mm, okay. If you can able to do, you can wait for 10 to 15 minutes. I can able to install 5.5 now, and we can able to do that one.
We can do tomorrow or next week.
Because that's fine. But what happened, right? Today it's going to be completed. This thing session. That's a problem. We need to create offline. I can able to create and send it across to you. Is that fine for you?
Yeah, just send me the how you. I mean, I need to do
Yeah,
the.
I'll do that. Yeah. I'll do that because I just send it across. The course is completed. Okay. On Monday or Tuesday, I just create for you for
Mm-hmm.
1 or 2 hours. Okay. We will make it that 5.5. I need to install and keep it ready. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I just show you how to do that one. Is that fine?
I guess.
What happened? Is that fine?
Yeah, we don't have any other option, do we?
Which one?
I mean, do we have other option? No.
Only the go to meeting is the only option we need to create. Apart from that,
Mm.
nothing. Unless Skype is there. If we have Skype, then we can able to connect.
Yeah, I do have a Skype.
Then fine. Just give me your ID so that I'll add it and we can do it in the Skype itself. No issues. No go to meeting also. You can do it in the Skype.
Okay. Or you
I just
just send
create
me the
one.
video in case.
Yeah, you can let me know tomorrow, same time. So I just create one more 5.5 now itself. I keep
Mm-hmm.
ready. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So tomorrow we can go for upgrade. No issues. I just have 5.5 here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have 6.5 because I don't have the this thing. Uh, download it. That's a problem. It's a nowadays the VM are not giving that this thing, right. Downloading the option. If you are customer or something, then you can able to download. Otherwise, you cannot able to download.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. So let me know. I just create this thing and keep it ready for you. So tomorrow we can do that upgrade. Surely, no issues. Okay. Tomorrow or Sunday or whatever you want.
Tomorrow is what? Saturday, Friday.
Saturday. Today is Friday.
For me, it's Friday. Yeah,
Ah,
for you,
ah,
today is still Thursday.
no, today is Friday for me. For you, it's Thursday. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yep.
let me know because I just you saw that right now. It's a mission is going to be started. So it another couple of minutes it will be completed.
Then I
So
can
one,
just wait if you want. I can. If do
yeah,
you have
that's why
time
I asked
now
you.
or?
I have time. That's the thing I asked you.
Mm. But the thing is, the my thing was the how do you w- w- do your VM that's already on that your ESXi host? Do you move them first and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
you
We
do
need to
the
move. We need to move all the thing to another host. Then only we have to do. Otherwise, it will not be there.
so when you have only one physical host, how do you do that?
Yeah. That's another issue. We need to because normally all the environment we just have two clusters, but I don't see that only standalone it will be not be there. So the machine should be in the storage, right? Correct. So what happened, right? We need to get the downtime for 2 to 3 hours. Once the
Mhm.
upgrade is done, we need to add the inventory. All the machine need to be add to inventory to the particular
Manually.
ESS host. Yeah, we have to do like that only.
So you just recreate the and reattach saying, hey, here's my existing image. Just reattach that. That's how it you saying?
Sorry,
You just reattach the image.
which one? No, the 5 or 6.0 we need to rethink. So I'll tell you. True update manager we can do. That's why I just going to do for you. Okay,
Mm.
you can see that one option. Thanks for supporting because since it's for your sleeping time, I just making it to extend.
It's not 5 minutes.
Hmm?
It's gonna take a long time.
Not long time. It will be over. Don't worry. So memory is there. Nothing issue. Always memory should be there.
Your CPU is 95, 87%.
It will be gradually. It will be reduced. So it's going up and down. Oh, what happened? Okay, I'll shut down this thing. Okay, 110.
Mhm.
Then it will be very fast or not. I don't know. See, now it's very fast.
Mhm. It's done.
Oh, great. See, all the thing has been moved to here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, because you sat down.
Yeah, you got it. That is how it will work.
The edge, yeah. Also, the patches, we didn't it, um, when you how you install the patch on the ASXi host too.
I'll tell you.
You don't forget the password, did you?
What is this? You can see this patch. Okay, I
Mhm.
just copy and paste it.
To your share folder.
Yeah, because 6.0 I don't have the patch. That's the thing. 5.5 I have, so I
Mhm.
just show you how to do that. Same thing. It's for the 6.0 also.
Mhm.
Oh my God.
Now you have to use that CD and recover password. Cap locks. Check your cap locks.
I think the password is match only. Why it's showing this thing? Okay. Too bad.
Are you redoing it?
Yeah. I don't know why it's only 5 to 10 minutes, right?
It's gonna be 11 o'clock. It'll be hard for tomorrow morning. Oh.
Oh, I need to be safe.
Mhm.
Okay, password is matched. It should not be different one. Neither it's completed now.
Okay.
So you are in half sleep, I think.
Yeah.
Wow, I am happy. Okay, fine. So right click and so now we need to go to this thing, update manager. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Before that, we need to go to update manager, patch repository, import patch. Import means that patch need to be imported. The 5.5 show, right? That thing need to be updated here. Okay. So that patch need to be updated means it will be there. Okay. Now it shows that which bundle, when is the release, CRT, bug fix, vendor, who is a vendor, patch
Mm-hmm.
ID, everything it will be shown. Just click OK. It will be listed here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now we need to create the baseline. Okay, for this patch. The patch represents nothing but the storing all the patches. Okay. From there we are just creating the baseline. Patch, host patch, we are just clicking on that. Next, we need to click on dynamic. Okay, because if new patches is added, right, the dynamic it will automatically update that one. If we given fixed, if new patches comes into the comes, we cannot be able to add it in the baseline. We need to create a separate thing as a new patch. So that's why
Mm-hmm.
always they will go for the dynamic. Okay, next, and VMware it will choose any, and next it will show this patch. Okay, so patch to just go. This need to be downloaded and click next. So if there is no remaining patch in the patch repository, it will show. If the some of the patches are added, need to be added in that below thing, we can able to add it. So nothing is there. So you can see this patch is been updated. Correct. So now finish. Now new baseline has been created.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So edit next. You can see this patch. Okay. Now go to this 120 and put it into maintenance mode. Okay, always we need to put it into the maintenance mode and do the all the stuff. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and click on update manager, attach that patch, new baseline, right? So we need to
Yeah.
attach that one. So once it's attached, it will show. We need to scan because it's any new patch is added, it will show as a
No.
red mark should be shown because it need to be red mark, I think. Oh, it's not showing. Okay, wait. Yeah, sorry, we need no need to remove that one. Okay, I don't want to exclude. I forget totally. This thing I just exclude, right? The exclude means it automatically exclude. We need to do the patch need to be added to that particular baseline. Okay, that's why it's not created here. Okay, so the content is one. Again, we need to go to that particular host. You can see this red mark
Okay.
because the new patch has been added, right? To that
Mhm.
particular baseline, we have rescan it, correct?
Mhm.
So once you click on remediate, okay, it
Mhm.
automatically puts the patch. That's it. So this is a patch. We are just going to push that. So next, when we are going to schedule this thing, if you go for the schedule, then you can tell the time and make it schedule and go and sleep. That's it. If you want to do it immediately, you have to click on that immediately and make next. Nothing need to be changed here. DRS options. This all DRS. Nothing need to be changed.
Mhm.
Next, and it will show the which patch you are going to use. You got it? New baseline. So
Mhm.
finish. So now the patch will be updated. You can see the version 1820, right? That has been removed and it will become as a new thing. You can see. See, initiating host reboot. Everything is doing fastly.
Mhm.
You see that, right?
Yeah. Mhm. Mhm.
Current program is a zero was completed, so the zero was completed with error. Okay, one was being remediated. Zero was are waiting to raw start. Okay, if this is the error, it will show. Okay, not error. This is the command they are doing it backend. See, you can see this 895 the patch value.
Mhm.
The- Previously, what is there? 1820, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Mhm.
Now it's see 3116895. Totally the bill number is changed. This is how
Mhm.
you can able to identify. 1331820 has
Mhm.
been changed to 3116895.
Mhm.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are just going for
So
IS
I don't
certification.
have a vCenter, vSphere client. So can I still do it through the web, or I
No, you can do the command line. I just give the
uh,
command. Yeah, command line is there. I just give the command.
Okay.
I need to search for that. I just send it across to you. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
ISO image.
Or you just import the ESXi image there.
Yeah, correct. We need to go
Mm-hmm.
for the ESS image. Like patch repository, we have done it, right? So same
Mm-hmm.
thing, we have to do it. Now it's all patches is updated. You can
Mm-hmm.
see this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
New baseline, create a baseline image. Now everything is done, right? See, you can able to see now.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
Now again you can able to see the green mark. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Now I just going to attach new baseline upgrade. Okay, attach that ISO need to be attached again. Okay,
Where did you went to attach the image?
here,
Oh,
here, here,
attach.
here.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay,
Under image update manager. Okay. Mm-hmm.
just scan and
Scan.
upgrade. Just click on upgrade and scan it.
Oh, okay.
In this, once the scan is done, then again we need to go for remediate. That's it. Okay, now it's
Mm-hmm.
when come into the red mark.
Red.
You got it.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Just again remediate, upgrade baseline. We need to select upgrade baseline. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Previously you select patch, right?
Patch.
Now we are
Patch.
just going for update
Upgrade.
baseline. It shows
Mm-hmm.
6.0. Accept the license and upgrade. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Ignore warning also about unwanted support, all the stuff. So the task immediate. Now same thing. Nothing need to be done.
Mm-hmm.
Next and finish. You can see the backend also if you want. Um,
That's done? No.
it's in the process actually. See, 20% is going on.
Oh.
It automatically reboot and it will be making that.
So what do you if you didn't have a memory enough for your
You cannot able
requirement
to, you cannot able to go forward. That's it.
upgrade?
Whatever you can, whatever you have, then you have to make it done.
Mm-hmm.
You got it. Now it's
Mm-hmm.
going up.
Read, yeah.
You got it. 6.0.
Mm-hmm.
So it will be in the process now. You can see
Mm-hmm.
this 22%.
Yeah.
Another 20% it will be moving up.
Okay.
Now you got it right. How to do
Yeah.
that one?
Mm-hmm.
I just give the command to you also. That is the only thing is left, right? ESS patch. See, this is the thing we have to do.
Mm-hmm.
ESS CLI is the command I told right starting. Software
Mm-hmm.
web install. This is a common thing. So we need to patch. We need to copy into the data store. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then you need to install that install -v, install software -v, whatever you want. Using local setup where patch name.zip is the name of the patch you need to upload in the data store. Alternate, you
Mm-hmm.
can use the data store UID. Okay, whatever you want, you can do that one.
Mm-hmm.
This is a command you can able to use.
Okay.
I just send this link also
Mm-hmm.
so that it will be very useful for you.
Yeah, this one's gonna take some time.
Yeah. So now
We
it's
can
finish. It shows.
no. Mm-hmm. Now it's installing actually. You can just record and send it to me.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Thank you so much for your kind help
Yeah.
for supporting this. Yeah.
Okay.